Somebody must have been a good girl. They got all kinds of new Christmas toys. Oh, is that your Rudolph? No, that's Clarice. You just don't know what to play with first. It's a good girl. Oh. Yep. You had a good Christmas. You don't know what to play with first.